Hey! Oh, but I think power's gone, huh? We don't see anything if we don't have current at our house. Light guy, this is what we used to say. We are humans. We need something to see the world around us, right? Hello everyone. What is something which we need to see the world around us? Come on. We need, that's the session's name. We need light, right? And yes, welcome achievers to this new session of light, reflection and refraction. Good evening everyone. Sneha, Sheikh, Abdullah, Sonali. I'll call you Abdullah, right? Pavan, Arvi, Harshita, Raghavan. Yes, we need light. You know what? Very long back, I think people who have seen some older videos, they know that, this story that people used to believe that our eyes emit light and that light shines the object which makes us to see things. But that's the problem, right? If that was the case, we should be able to see in the dark, but we cannot. That's why. Hey, Harshita, Vivek, Shalu, Bhanu, hello, welcome. I see new names over there. Nice. Chandra, hey. Ambika. Raju, hey. Hello, Raghavan. Yes. Thank you. Yes, Rudra, that's true. The whole chapter, and I think you were there in the induction session, no? The whole chapter, concept sessions, like practice questions, everything. And today is the special session. It's a bridge. You see this bridge, no? This bridge. It's a bridge between the topic, the light topic, which you have already learned and which is there in class 10th, that gap, right? Purani baat ho gayi hai. We used to forget things which are done, and you know what? It happens. I mean, often it happens. The moment you pass that grade, somehow the topic is like whoosh, gone, right? So that's why, So that's why this session is a bridge session where we'll cover or recall all the topics which you've already learned. ये concept session का starting नहीं है. After this session, we'll start class 10th. Today, the thing which we are discussing, you know all that. I mean, आपने पढ़ा था. You have studied that. So that's why I would say be interactive and let's learn. Let's revise everything, all right? Refraction. Very good, Abdullah. Nice. आएगा, सब आएगा. Yes, this is the first lecture. Oh, nice. Sheetal, very good. Class 11th के लिए my only tips are be patient but study everything very, very, very thoroughly. It's not just cramming concepts, understand things, right? Understand the nature of everything, whatever is going on. So that's why I'm saying. I'm good, Dhruv. How are you? Hey, Sandhya. Army 1B. Hemlata, hello. Abhishek. Why do we need light? Thank you, Raghavan. Menti quiz आज नहीं है. Today Menti quiz is not there because Sneha Menti quiz में क्या होता है ना? We'll do Menti quiz, but not today. The reason is I don't have power to do animations in Menti, and today to teach you some things I need animations, and that's why we won't do Menti, but we'll do questions in an interesting way. And people who were there in the last session, ये 5 बजे वाला session, they know what kind of interactive questions we are talking about. दिशा, अरे बहुत अच्छे से टीचर्स हैं वहाँ पे already. Don't worry. Oh, Bhanu, that's a very deep and very, very important question. You know what? That's true. A person who cannot see really doesn't know what light is actually. I mean, they have not felt this light. And that's why we have all these eye transplant operations, cornea transplant operations, and that's why, yes, that's true. Nice. All right, so come on, let's start. Let's start with the basics of light. Thank you, Rajat. Yes. What do you see? I mean, a person is driving a car. Let's say his counterpart is sitting with him, and she's doing something, right? With a mirror. Fine. And he can also see a mirror over here. And I think, you know what? You can make me smaller. Yes? Am I blocking the screen? Yes, so I think you can make me smaller. So here in the studio with me is Abdul, right? So you can say hi, Abdul. All right. So, yes, she's putting makeup, but she's using a mirror. See, she's putting makeup is not my concern. My concern is from science perspective. My concern is from what mirror she's using, right? So that's why. Yes. Raghavan is saying hi, Abdul. Yes. All right. Light a wave or particle. Wow. Push. Yes, yes. Concave and convex mirror. A wave or a particle. Going in class 11, you'll enjoy that question. Yeah, YouTube is for everyone. It's free, it's for everyone. You can come, interact, learn, and then, yeah, that's true. All right. Correct. Artistic, Adarsh. Very good, very good. Nice. Yeah, Himani is also saying hi. Rajat, my name is Saurabh, if you don't know. Yes, very good. So, before light, yes, you are right. It's a form of energy which makes us things visible to us. That's true. Yes. Nice, Sarah. Very good. Yes, okay. So, the question is, whenever we go around this world, we see a lot of mirrors, right? And not all mirrors are same. So, we are targeting mirrors today. Why? Because mirrors do something, a phenomena which governs the working of mirrors. What is the phenomena? The difference, first of all, let's see, all right? Before going to the phenomena, let's look at the difference. See, the girl is seeing a magnified image, right? Correct? 11th physics hard nahi hai, it's on you. Daily classes will be there, almost, but not say physics classes, right? We have a combination of subjects, science, maths, and everything, right? So here you see it's a magnified image. Here you see it is distorted a little bit, and you know what? It's smaller also. So there is a difference. Not every mirror, right? They make the same images. It's not like there is a section called as mirrors, and every mirror makes same images. That's not true, right? So we are, that's true. Yeah, that's true, Pushkarini. We are still not sure. There's a huge debate going from centuries, you know. Waves, Huygens, wave fronts, and everything came, and then you branched it, wave and ray optics. So you will study that in class 11th. Don't worry. Yes, very good. Yeah, Rishit, that's true. Yes, all right. So we cannot say that every mirror makes same images. I mean, this mirror is giving magnified, but erect images. What is erect? I'm like this. My image inside the mirror is also like this. I'm not like upside down, hai na? So that is what we call an erect image. Now, what about your dressing room mirrors? Beginner, Rudra. Nice, Disha. Very good. I know. All right. What about our dressing rooms? What kind of mirrors do we have? Yeah, plain, right? Correct. Plain, nice. So, it all starts with reflection, right? So, let's take a look at this reflection very, very closely. All right. Are you Rajat? Half concave and half convex. Hold on. Let's go with the proper session. Today it's a beginner kind of thing, na? Whatever you have learned in the previous classes, make sure वो आता है. कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना? You are so eager to jump forward that you forget that our ground is loose. Let's make this ground firm. Then jump, alright? ठीक है? हाँ, nice. पहले ज़मीन पक्का करते हैं, फिर कूदी मारेंगे. ठीक? Nice. Hey Andy, welcome. Thank you, Rudra. Right. So, history. let's move to sessions. वहाँ पे history का बात करेंगे. ठीक है. तो reflection. अच्छा, when you go to this nice scenery and everything, we all love to take those reflection shots, है ना? Phone निकाला, ऐसे लाए, थोड़ा सा पहाड़ भी आ रहा है, थोड़ा पानी के अंदर पहाड़ आ रहा है. We all love to take those reflection shots and then we post those pictures on Instagram and Facebook and वाह क्या photo खींचा है मैंने. Reflection is something we are looking for, right? Yes, Niba, that's true. Correct. So, reflection of light. If this boy has a laser in his hand. Now, the thing about laser is a coherent monochromatic light. A nice beam. Laser goes, strikes a surface and goes back. Right? That is how a laser works. So, kya ho raha hai laser? Laser is getting reflected back. It is the bouncing back of light in the same medium following some principal rules, right? Some laws. What laws? Kaun se laws, right? है ना? Nice, very good, Vivek. Heat as fuzzy wave thingy, you're right. Garam cheese ke upar na, because it's the medium that is moving, that's why. Yes, Rudra, don't worry, I'm coming to it. So, now, this is a real laser shot, hai na? The laser is, this is the incident ray. The ray falling on the surface is incident ray. The ray getting reflected back is the reflected ray. Hai na? Now, these two angles are important because I'm telling you, many of the questions will try to confuse you that the incident ray makes an angle I with the surface. But what is angle of incidence? It is the angle which the ray is making from the normal. So this is normal, a 90 degree to the surface. If this is the surface, normal is a line which is 90 degree to the surface, right? Yes, normal is 90 degrees to mirror. You are right, Rishit. Very good. Yes, there are two laws of reflection. Very good, very good. And I think first law everybody has given me here. Nice, I equals R. So, first law, the laws of reflection. So, first law is quite simple. Angle of incidence equals angle of reflection. This is the law of reflection, right? Whenever light is getting reflected, this law has to be followed. And don't worry, I'll mold this question and ask you again. Screen is blurred, huh, Hemlata? I think, is it blurred for anyone else? Because if it is blurred, na, ye video quality, it could be a video quality issue. Just change the quality to 1080 or 720 in a phone. That should be good enough. Yes, correct, Sonali. Nice. So, this is the normal. This is the reflected ray, incident ray. Now, there are two more things here. The plane of incidence. What is plane of incidence? Light rays coming like this and getting reflected like this. So, this whole plane, this is my plane of incidence. Why? Because in this plane, light came and got reflected, right? So, that is the plane of incidence. And reflecting plane, mirror basically, hai na? Kaun sa plane? Which plane is reflecting? That is the reflecting plane. So all these terms are important because the questions can try to basically just try to confuse you in different terms. But we should be clear. Plane of incidence, reflecting plane, incident ray, reflected ray, I and R and normal. Fine. Okay? Nice. Very good, Abdullah. Arush, Himani, nice. Second is the incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie in the same plane, which means plane of incidence is also the plane of reflection. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा that incident ray comes like this, है ना, and reflects like this. Getting the point? It should never happen. It can never happen. अगर ऐसे fall किया है, then it will get reflected back in this plane only. That is what the second law is saying. So don't be confused with the second law. ठीक है? New syllabus? Pura. We are covering everything. Yes. Nice, Disha. Very good. Yes. And you know that, right? If it is falling like this, if I is 0, then R is also 0. A light falling perpendicular on a mirror. What is the angle of incidence? 0 or 90? So this question I'm asking because Ruchika is reflecting plane. Reflecting plane, Rima, is that surface, that plane, hai na? Mirror which is horizontal. That is the reflecting plane, right? Incidence plane and plane of reflection. So I'm saying incidence plane, just remember that. 0, not 90. So the reason I asked this is, I'm good, Srishti. The reason I asked this is because a lot of times questions will tell you a light is falling at 90 degrees to a surface. What is the angle of reflection? अब हमको दिमाग में आता है 90 और निकलता है आंसर 90. So that should not happen, right? Second law, Hemlata, is the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal, they lie on the same plane, right? Incident ray, reflected ray and normal, they all lie on the same plane. That is important. Okay? Alright, so in type of mirrors, plane mirrors you have understood. It's quite simple. You know? These two laws of reflection, that's fine. And this is what we have. Now, I won't go into a lot of details. Thank you, Abdullah. I won't go into a lot of details because today I'm trying to bridge the gap, and when we go in the actual sessions, I'll discuss everything very deeply, I would say. है First law Sandhya is very easy. I equals R. Angle of incidence जितना होगा उतना ही angle of reflection होगा. That's true. Okay? So the thing about plane mirrors is object size is equal to the image size. Now these are important, and you have already learned this. So I won't spend a lot of times today. In session I'll do. So don't worry. Refraction, Priyanka, don't worry. We are coming to it. Yes. Object distance is equal to image distance, and the image is erect, virtual, and laterally inverted. Now, you know what? Don't be scared of this word virtual. I'll give you some ideas, but just, it's an introductory session. That's true. Goransh. Today, mentee will not be there. Yes. So, in plane mirror, we say erect, virtual, and laterally inverted. Laterally inverted matlab kya hota hai? You feel that if I am raising my left hand, the person in the image is raising his right hand. So that's what it feels like, right? Okay? Yes. Why delta Y image? Yes. You have learned these things in 8th standard. So, yeah, object distance equals image distance. Simple है ना? देखो mirror है. जितना दूर object होगा, how far the object is, that far the image is. How high the object is, that high the image is. And it is laterally inverted. Virtual, laterally inverted. Simple है. और virtual क्या होता है? If it is the image is formed inside the mirror, that is virtual. Simple है ना? Real and virtual image Lakshya, that's true. I'll take this in this very own session. In this very session, I'll take it separately. Don't worry. Yes, correct, Arush. Nice. Alright, so type of mirror mein, plane is fine. Now, not every mirror is plane, right? There are some more type of mirror. That's true, Adarsh. Yeah. Yeah, these are properties of image formed in a plane mirror, Hemlata. Yes, Disha, that's true. Yes, alright. So, it's not just always plane mirrors. We also have spherical mirrors. Correct, Pooja? Yes. Yes. Yes, Ruchika. Whole chapter. Correct. That's true, Goransh. You're right. So, we have different spherical mirrors also. And you know what? There are two types which you already know. Concave and convex. Hai na? You know that. Right? It's okay. It's okay, informative guy. Bye-bye. Yeah. Yes. Shanky. Is it Sankey? Yes. Shanky. New 10th. Yes, that's true. Yes. All right. Parabolic and spherical. See, spherical you understand. They were a part of sphere. Parabolic is, if you know parabola, right? If you know parabola, they are in parabolic shapes. So this is something. But in your syllabus, I would say spherical is something just focus very closely on, right? Abhi nahi bol sakte. What is there and what is not, so that's why the plan is to cover the whole syllabus, right? Ab syllabus mein kitna cut jayega, kitna chhoot jayega, that we'll see. Let's not worry about that, hai na? Yes, I'll tell you. Convex or concave. Acha, cave se, whenever you think of cave matlab kya hota hai? Aise dhasa hua, right? Cave means something which is like a cave. So concave is this. This part is reflecting, right? The inside part is reflecting. So concave mein what happens? It's a converging mirror and the inner surface is reflecting. So I usually have this thing in my mind whenever you say cave means reflecting from inside. When you say convex, right? Vex kind of thing. So I say it is reflecting from the outside. Hai na? So like that. You can just think of hacks in your mind to remember this. That's fine. Niba, that's true. Term 2 exams ke liye don't worry, we'll have sessions. We are going to have sessions for that. And I think we have sessions. Na? Today you have chemistry mentee session for the current class 10 term 2 batch. हाँ हाँ दिशा होते हैं. It's not there for you, but हाँ parabolic mirrors भी होते हैं. Alright, so this is concave. Convex, yes. Menti है 7 बजे. So that's why I'm saying let's finish this by 6:45. You take a break and all the term 2 people you go. Today Kriti ma'am session is there from 7. हाँ chemistry menti है आज. Alright. Outer surface is reflecting. तो याद कैसे रखना है? Concave is like a cave. Convex okay बाहर से. Cave अंदर से. ठीक है? Fine. Parabolic mirrors don't worry. It's in the shape of parabola. Just इतना याद रखो. But right now forget about this. It's okay if you don't know that. है ना? Better. Spherical मतलब it was a sphere and these mirrors were a part of sphere. है ना? एक sphere था उसमें से इसको काटा गया है like this. So that's how you got this mirror. It was a part of sphere. हमने कट किया और ये sphere का part है. This is a spherical mirror. है ना? Nice. Thank you, Abdullah. New topic. New topic from last chapter. No, this is, we are covering everything. So that's why I'm saying, let's quickly cover everything. है ना? ताकि in the session you won't face any problem. So concave mirror में, let's revise everything. Can someone tell me properties of concave mirror? People who know that, who remember this thing, let me know in the chat. Come on. Hemlata, maybe. I can't say until an official notification comes. Yes, Rishit. It's 2.9999 something. Okay. If the object is very close to the mirror, notice. Yes, it's a converging mirror. Raghavan, you're right. Pushkarini, you're also right. Yeah, assets and animations are still same, no, Ambika? Very close, yes. When it is close, it's a special case. You see a magnified image, you see a virtual image, and you see an erect image, right? That's the concave mirror, right? Real inverted, ये कौन सा case है? So don't worry, I'll tell you, but I'm just telling you between pole and focus is the case. So that's why. So in the previous classes, you just crammed this. In these classes, we'll also see the ray diagrams, how it is coming, why it is coming. Hai na? So all these things we'll learn. Don't worry about that. Object between pole and focus. Erect means if, see, this girl is sitting like this, her image is also like this. So what do we say inverted then? If the girl is like this, her image is like this. So that is inverted. Seedha, nipa. Erect means seedha. In Hindi we call it seedha, but any other language I don't know. Yes? Yes, you're right. Magnification formula, don't worry, we'll talk about this. Simple words में if I tell you height of image upon height of object, उसको याद करो, V और V की form में आ जाएगा. Don't worry about that. Yes. Cool. Alright, concave mirror. So you were asking, if erect image is that, what is inverted image? This is an inverted image. This is the candle, but the image is upside down. Inverted is what? Upside down. Simple, है ना? Inverted ulta. Correct? Yeah, सही Gauransh. Right? Okay. So if the object is far away or very far away from the mirror, it is real, inverted, and size varies. It can be diminished, it can be magnified, but the thing is, it is real and inverted. So, real क्या होता है? हाँ, nice, okay. Arush, don't worry, we are coming to it. Hello, hey Rashmi. So, ठीक है? Convex mirror. This is one more type. Convex कौन सा होता है? Which is reflecting from? Come on. Curved outside, right? It is curved outside. Outward surface is the reflecting surface. That is. Yes, correct Himani. Image at focus, object at infinity, focus और center of curvature के बीच में, center of curvature with same size. So all these things will come. Don't worry about that. Pole होता है. What should I take? If let's say this is my mirror, ना, the center part of a mirror, है ना, उसको बोलते हैं pole. Don't worry. Yes, it'll come. Burst outside. Correct. So irrespective of the position, the good thing about convex is, can someone tell me? Yes, Aditya, you're right. Nice, Sajan. Yes, Sajan, you are right. Virtual image. And one more thing. Aperture is the what is the size of the hole, right? So your eye has how much. So all these things are aperture, and it's a camera term. More view, correct. Diverging, that's also true. Principal axis, the point joining, right? The center of curvature in the pole. तो उसको बोलते हैं principal axis. Aperture होता है वो hole या फिर वो opening जिससे light अंदर आता है. That is what we call as aperture. Yes, small image. Yes, you're right, Sonali. So convex mirror, the thing is, it is virtual, it is direct, but it is diminished. है ना? हमेशा, always it is diminished. That is the thing. Correct? Yes. That's what is written on rear view mirror, right, Arush? It gives you a wider view. So the thing which you are answering me in the chat, that is something which is coming over here, right? This one is, yes, diverging, virtual, erect, diminished. Yes, Disha, correct. Yeah, that's true, Imani. So it's just a difference in lenses and mirrors. You just say sometimes pole, and in lenses you tend to say optical center. Itna hi difference, right? But that is the same point. Convex? Yes. Disha has given the answer. 2 is convex, yes, okay. Third is plane, yes, that's also true. First one? Concave, right? First one is concave. This is convex, and this is plane, right? Simple. Nice. So this question was easy, na? So simple. How object is placed at infinity. So Adarsh, infinity matlab pata hai kya hota hai? Very far. See, as such to infinity is not defined. How much? How far? Very far. That is what we say infinite, hai na? Thank you, Rishit. Alright, so this question was easy. Now let's learn a question in some interesting way. Now you know what interesting way. Disha knows that at least. Right? So this is, Himani, I just gave the answer, na? Optical center we use the term in mostly lens and pole bolte hain mirror ke andar, curved mirror ke andar. So that's the thing. Yes, Disha. Alright, so interesting way. What is the interesting way? I told you this in the induction. We'll do questions, but not like common questions. Let's do the questions in style, hai na? What style? Formed at infinity. When the screen is very far and image is formed over there, that's what we say, right? If you put a bulb at the focus, light will fall on the concave mirror and go parallel. Kabhi milega? Sir, so when do we say parallel lines meet? At infinity. Similarly, if lines are parallel, the beam is parallel, how far the image is formed? Infinity. That's the same logic, hai na? Others that will come. This is you are talking about right now, diffraction and all these things. Not right now. Yes, Nibha, that's true. These are games in BYJU'S Premium. Alright, so watch. Now he's the guy, Lucas, is excited to sell some mirrors in his little mirror shop. He has a mirror shop, hai na? Now, dhyan se, just focus, hai na? What you want to do is, you want to help him choose an appropriate mirror for his customer. He is a mirror man in the city who designs mirrors as per the customer's requirement. You come to him, you give some requirement, and he will design a mirror for you. Hai na? Yes, Disha, correct. Yes, that's true. Okay, so there are 4 customers. अब हम सारे नहीं करेंगे because the scientist guy is, I have played this game. So let's do the first one. Let's take this girl. Let's see what is the requirement of the girl. The girl is saying that has specific requirements as image size is equal to object size and this mirror gives an erect image. Yes. So which mirror do you want to choose? Come on. This is an easy one, na? Okay. I can see people are saying plane mirror. Nice. Oh, Abhishek, you have played this game before, huh? Nice. Yes, Raghavan. Plane mirror. Reema, Disha, nice. Nibha, Abhiditya, Sushmita, very good. That's true. Let's see. Is this plane mirror? Yes. Both the requirements are compliant, right? Both are good, and that's why. The girl goes home happy you have held Lucas. That's fine. Okay, let's see who the next customer is. And these are all games in BYJU'S Premium, by the way. I'm telling you, I've just taken from there. Alright, let's take this guy. Yeah, this is term 1 portion, so that. Okay, this person needs a shaving mirror. His requirement is the mirror should give him a magnified image and an erect image. Which mirror should we give him? Come on, think. Which mirror should we give him? How will you help Lucas? Come on. Okay, concave, convex. Okay, so I see a lot of you are telling me concave, but still, for the sake of, someone said convex. Oh, that one went. Okay, all are concave. Huh? Chalo, theek hai. Let's see. Okay, Hemlata, you are saying convex. So for Hemlata, all of you are saying concave. For Hemlata, I'll try convex once. This is not magnified. Right? Yes. So that's why. If you go for concave, he is getting a magnified image and he is getting an erect image, right? So that's why. That's why it is concave, and special case of concave, which you will learn in the sessions. But today I can tell you that special case is, it is very close to the mirror. Hai na? Oh, nice, Goranj. Yay, that's true. Okay, fine. All right. So that's why not convex, it's concave. All right. Mobile ka zamana hai, that's true. So let's take this third guy. He wants a mirror for roadside. I mean, this is what a corners, and you have seen this, right? He wants a wide image. I mean, better than wide image, you know what? I would say wide view. Wide image is me. Wide view and erect image. Yes, Sonali, you are right. Abhiditya, you are also right. Okay. Convex. ठीक है. Just for the sake of trial and error, I'll take Rishit's word. He said concave. Let's see concave. Try करते हैं ना. Oh, concave mirror, it is giving me inverted image, right? Okay. So, I mean, this was wrong. Fine. So, let's see. Let's see and try again. A convex. Yes. You want a wide and erect view of convex mirror, make them ideal for enabling the vision to travelers. See, what do we mean a wide view? If you take a plane mirror, it covers only this much area. If you take a convex mirror, it can cover so much of an area, right? So that's why. That's what we say. It's a wider view. It provides a large what? Come on. Field of view. This is one more term we used to say for that, right? So that is a convex mirror. So that's why. I would say the last person, no, I don't want to go for him because he's a scientist, he's looking for a telescope and everything. I don't want to go there. I know, Rishit. I was looking for a wrong answer actually. Ab koi na koi galat answer dega, then I will try. No, I'll show off after that only. That's why. Thank you for that. I understand you you did the typo thing. All right. Okay. So let's get back to the session. And thank you, Vidya. And don't worry, we'll do these kind of things in the session, all right? So this is what we'll do. Fine. Properties of convex and concave. See, first thing, Himlata, you need to understand is convex mirror कौन सा है? जहाँ पे बाहर से. So convex is always virtual, erect and diminished. Concave के साथ क्या होता है ना? It forms real inverted when the object is far. When the object is very close, it forms virtual, erect and magnified. But itna, don't worry. Yes. So yeah, Hemlata, that's why. In this session, I would say this much is enough. Don't worry. We'll deal with this in very detail. है ना? So आज get a hang of it. Convex क्या होता है? What is convex? What is concave? What is plane? A little bit of just enjoy this session. Don't get in too much. Tomorrow I'm going to ask you. Don't worry. We'll discuss this. You will, and these things you will just plane scientist वाले के अंदर it was only कौन सा था? It was a concave mirror or convex mirror. The object was at infinity or minimized kahan banegi. So it was object at infinity and the image was at focus. So that was the thing. Yes, Pushkar, that's true. You see all those weird images, no? That's actually combination of these mirrors. Yes. So the question. Yeah, don't worry. Menti aa raha hai. 6:37 ho gaya na. Let's take it for 5 more minutes. I'll give you 15 minutes break and you can go for chemistry. People. हाँ अनुभव हिंदी बोलता हूँ यार मैं लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना सी आई थिंक लास्ट सेशन पीपल हु वर देयर दे आल्सो नो हिंदी के साथ होता है कि आई डोंट वांट यू टू स्ट्रगल इन फ्यूचर मतलब सी आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल इन कॉलेज लर्निंग व्हाटएवर आई एम स्पीकिंग टुडे इट्स नॉट लाइक आई वाज ऑलवेज लाइक दिस हिंदी इज माय लैंग्वेज एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट एन इंग्लिश पर्सन बट व्हाट एम आई डूइंग दिस कल दिन आपको दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए ना हम इतना डर जाते हैं इंग्लिश से और सारी बुक्स सब कुछ हमारे पास इंग्लिश में आएगा दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग घर पे थोड़ी हिंदी में बात करते हैं हम लोग ये सेशन ही तो है टीचर्स से हम बात करते हैं हिंदी में सो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ सॉरी टीचर्स से हम इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं घर पे तो हिंदी में ही करते हैं तो इसलिए यहाँ पर इंग्लिश लेट्स ट्राई टू गेट हैबिचुअल विद दिस लैंग्वेज इट्स नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज अपने को आता ही है ना सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग वेरेवर you are facing difficulty to understand let me know I'll switch to Hindi but I'll try to be communicative in English lenses तो transparent right they are transparent mirrors are reflective ठीक है yes that's true Rishit हिंदी में लेकिन लिख नहीं सकते that's why so real and virtual image real images are they are reflected rays of light actually meet so you know what in very easy terms think of real as if rays are actually meeting it is real if they appear to meet they don't actually meet sir you might ask me okay you can ask me कि अरे अंकिता मैम को बोलना यार that कल्पना don't worry she'll come so है ना oh nice Anshit so that's why I'm saying कि what do I mean when I say they appear to meet I'll tell you in the sessions but today just understand it like real में they actually meet in virtual they don't actually meet they appear to be meeting behind the mirror so that is virtual and real images are always inverted they are always erect they can be obtained on a screen and they cannot be obtained so a virtual mein how will you obtain it is inside the mirror can you go inside the mirror no so that's why you cannot obtain virtual images on a screen अब कोई ये मत बोलना कि सर virtual object होगा तो क्या होगा real object होगा don't worry about that so that's what I'm saying right refractive index we'll talk about don't worry so before that I'm just saying कि you guys are new you are starting this class 10th some of you at least because I just saw Disha also so you have just started I'm saying subscribe this channel like it and why I'm saying this because all the new things will be covering the whole syllabus each and every topic here everything all the questions so that's why it's very important that we get in touch and your friends also join you so that's why I'm saying like share subscribe if you feel it is helpful do it otherwise enjoy right so that's why opaque object no if the object is opaque what do you think will happen it will absorb all the light no so that's why and if you are saying acha 1 minute sorry I misunderstood your question Pushkarini opaque object see if it's a cardboard it can be a screen no I mean whatever light will fall you will see it there you can try it so opaque objects yes they can be screen that's true yes I also used game oh nice Harsh okay now very quick thing about lenses what are lenses transparent material normally glass I mean polycarbonate lenses and everything is coming nowadays but okay nice thank you light doesn't pass through but still they can behave as screens. That's true. Okay? Two spherical surfaces. So there are mixture of two spherical surfaces. So if you might have seen this in Venn diagrams, right? This is the common portion. So the common portion in Venn diagram, it is the convex lens, and this portion is a concave lens. Simple, है ना? Right? Salini, the deal, what we do is, good questions, good answers, name would be taken, है ना? Don't worry about that. Venn diagrams. Yeah, Sushila, yeah, it will be there. Alright, so convex lens, concave lens, it is thicker in the middle. See, convex lens ऐसा होता है, and concave lens is like this, something difficult to show you, but it is something like that. Yes, there are convex and concave lenses. Don't worry, we'll do everything in the sessions. Oh, nice, Disha. So you are ready for your term 2 exam. I can see that. Nice, Anand. Yes, so these sessions are for you actually. Are plane mirrors made of spherical surfaces? Ashi, I can, very simply say that spherical surfaces are also made of plane mirrors. Small plane mirrors just arranged in a curve. Same hai. They are reflective surfaces, right? They all follow laws of reflection. Simple, hai na? Length of mirror, don't worry, aayega. Sab questions aayenge, don't worry. Thinner at the middles. Simple, hai na? Acha, this is a small shot. Just to understand how lenses behave. Watch closely. Okay, there is a laser light. We are filling the glass with smoke for better visibility, because in normal air you won't see laser light. It's the Tyndall effect that is happening over there. Now you will see, hai na? It's a convex lens. You will see the light is converging like this, hai na? If it's a concave lens, because you know what, the reason this is done like this is, you can try it at home. Prajyoti, I'm explaining, don't worry. थोड़ा सा लेट हो आप, थोड़ा सा. दिशा, don't worry, we'll do Menti session. अरे बहुत 30 question है उसमें. Right? So, the thing was, convex lens is a converging lens. Light goes and converges, and concave lens is a diverging lens. Light goes, the parallel ray goes and diverges. Simple, है ना? नहीं, मिरर में रिफ्लेक्शन होता है. मिरर मतलब रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा, लेंस रिफ्रैक्ट करेगा. रिफ्रैक्ट मतलब है पास होना, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई हाउ लेंसेज आर मेड, द मैन्युफैक्चर होते हैं. इट्स अ फैक्ट्री प्रोडक्शन. यस, ऑलराइट. सो convex lens, this is something which I would say just recall. And if it's okay, if you are not able to understand clearly everything, because this session में बहुत अच्छे से cover होगा, don't worry about that. And so that the short which I showed you, there are a couple of shorts on this channel. You can try them, and a lot of shorts are made in such a way that you can actually try those experiments at home. You can try that, and if you do it, you can also, yes, you can also post your videos on social media and tag us #BYJU'S, right? So we'll get to know that you are trying to answer us something. So convex lens, they can form images which are real or virtual, inverted or erect, and size varies. So basically, पता है, there is a common correlation. Concave mirror or convex lens, they almost work similarly. I'm saying almost. Why? Tomorrow, when you are learning them, you will have a correlation, which will help you to remember things. Okay? Concave mirror or convex lens, it almost works in similar fashion. Almost. Okay? Yeah, Kalpana, don't worry. You can put this and tag Ankita ma'am there in the comment section. Don't worry. Yes. Next, concave lens. They form images which are virtual, erect, and smaller in size. Remember, convex mirror, it was virtual, erect, and diminished every time. Similarly, a concave lens is also forming what? A virtual, erect, and smaller in size image. Easy, right? Because, correct? Yes. Now, which lens would you use to burn the paper? So, which lens is converging? Prajyot, proper definition? Which proper definition? Oh, focus is what? The point at which the rays coming from far, from infinity, they either meet or appear to meet. That is what we call as focus. For a lens, for a mirror, same thing, है ना? Convex lens. Yes. So convex lens is magnifying lens. That's true. Yes, Disha, you're right over there. Himani. Yes. Correct. Yeah. So it's a convex lens. They converge and whole energy of the sun is falling on that point and the paper burns. That's true. Okay. Use of lenses multiple. This is a use of lens, right? Telescope, microscope, spectacles, magnifying glass, all these are uses of lenses. Now, oh, hey, welcome, Ashriti. Yes. Yeah, Himani, that's true. I'm also wearing concave lens. Yeah, so, which of the following cases is an example of real image being formed? I would say it's a homework question, you know. The deal with homework question is some of you might know, some of you might not know. You answer these questions in the comment sections. We take a look and then we come back in next session and make sure that you understand did you answer it correctly or not. If you answer correctly, we take your name. So this is how the deal है ना. अरे answer यहाँ नहीं करना. अरे नहीं रुको. Don't answer here. So you can take a screenshot first. है ना? You can take a screenshot. I might also be there in this pose. Take a screenshot and put the answers in the comment section. Yeah, I know. Self-mastery. Nice. So this was the homework question. And this is something we usually tell to everyone, right? Yes. So this is something we usually tell to people who are in this channel. Previously it was 8, 9, 10. Now it is 9, 10. So I'm saying this is your channel. Class 9th, class 10. People who are there in class 10 going for term 2. People who just came in class 10. And people who just came in class 9. It's your channel. Alright. So we have got you covered. We'll cover everything. Don't worry about that. Just make sure you spread it. You take your friends into this. And you know what? We'll all study together. Don't worry about that. Huh? Alright. So, dear achievers, light reflection and refraction quiz on bridge session. This will do on Monday. So, whatever we have discussed today, we'll have a very quick quiz on that on Monday. Alright, so we'll meet again. Arey, ownership dena nahi hota hai. It's your. In comment section, I know what you will do. You will ask, sir, please, thoda ye bhi chahiye, wo bhi chahiye. And you know, we try to do that. That's what ownership is, right? I would say, thank you, Viditya. It's around what 6:48. I'm saying, there is a free class link in the description. It's a free class. You can try it, right? Free hai, try kar sakte ho, maza aayega. So like, share, subscribe, and you know what? Let's meet again on Monday. Take a break. 7 p.m. people who are going for term 2. 7 p.m. you have Kriti ma'am session also. Take a break and rest. We'll meet again on Monday. All right. Thank you for joining. Take care.